In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animations to your Canva design and export them as MP4 or GIF. By the end, you'll know how to animate individual elements, control the order they appear, preview everything, and download your design with smooth motion. Start by opening Canva, logging in, and opening the design you want to animate. Give the editor a moment to load all your elements so everything responds quickly when you start working. Click any element on your canvas to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and handles around it. With the element selected, look at the top toolbar and click Animate. This opens Canva's animation panel. Here, you can browse through different styles like subtle fades, slides, or more dynamic entrances. Click a style to apply it to the selected element. You'll see a small preview right away. If you don't see the animate option, double-check that the element is actually selected on the canvas. Repeat this for each element you want to animate. You can give different items different styles to create a layered look, or keep them consistent for a cleaner feel. As you go, think about what you want viewers to notice first, and set those elements to more attention-grabbing motions, while supporting elements can use gentler animations. Next, look at the timeline at the bottom of the editor. This is where you control when each element's animation plays. Click and drag the elements within the timeline to reorder them. Moving an element to the left makes it animate earlier. Moving it to the right makes it animate later. If two items line up at the same time, they'll animate together, which is useful for creating a coordinated entrance. This is the simplest way to build a sequence that guides the viewer's eye through your design. Use the play button to preview your animation sequence. Watch from start to finish and check that the pacing feels natural. If something enters too soon or too late, go back to the timeline and drag the elements to fine-tune the order. Preview as often as you need until it looks right. When you're happy, it's time to export. Click Share, then Download. Choose MP4 if you need a video file with the smoothest motion and audio support. Choose GIF if you want a lightweight looping animation without sound. Select your preferred format, confirm your choices, and download. Your exported file will keep all the animations you set up. That's it. Simple, clean, and ready to share wherever you need.